Okay, guys, the wonderful world of creating content. Just shot the entire video on my GoPro, and the memory card, for some reason, didn't support it. I got the setup videos, I got video I shot yesterday goofing off with my Rampage, but, so we've got the GoPro set up with a new memory card, absolutely empty memory card, and my phone just in case. So here we are. Again, as you can see, the box is already open. I did go through this. We have today our great honor of receiving and unboxing my prize I won on the NitroPimp subscriber giveaway. NitroPimp does subscriber giveaways, he does viewer giveaways. Right now, actually, he is doing another subscriber giveaway with a Traxxas Slayer Pro 3.3, new in the box. I am in that drawing as well. If I win that drawing, in the very off chance, I will be using that very same vehicle, new in the box. I won't open it. I won't do anything with it. I will show you guys that I received it. It's new in the box, but I'll be using that as a giveaway for my 500 subscriber giveaway. I am still quite a ways away from there. I'm working on getting there, but I'm doing a 500 subscriber giveaway anyway when that happens. But if I happen to win this Slayer Pro, I am going to use that as my promotion. So, moving on, this is my T-maxx 3.3 that I just got from my subscriber giveaway from NitroPimp, and I will put his link in the description here as well. So, we'll go ahead and unbox this. As you guys can tell, I did already open it. Believe it or not, I went through it and put it back in the box just for you guys, because I wanted to do this. So it's more for me, because I'll be honest with you, it's not often you get brand new cars in the vault. Not all of us anyway. I have quite the fleet, but most of it was acquired used or in parts lots. And okay, I have another. Okay, I'm going to put this together. You know, so but this is our T-maxx. So let's go ahead. That's just our safety foam paper. Like I said, I did already open it. There she is. There's actually quite a lot of good stuff on here. The biggest, meanest T-maxx ever. Wheelie bar adjustments, slipper clutch adjustments, all the goodies on the side of the box for us here. So, let us go ahead. And fuel bottle for your nitro fuel. Goodie bag, all the goodies. We do have a wand, star wand battery pack. New air filter. Tool bag. Shock spacers. Starter wand. So on. Let's go ahead and slide her on out. Transmitter. There she is. Look at that. Look at this. Look at that, guys. I do have an unpainted body as well. I ended up making a mess over here earlier. But not important, not important. This is, like I said, this is my first. Pay no attention to that. I took the screws out of that earlier. That is not how you're going to get your receiver batteries. Go in here. Some of us use a small pump pack. Some of us use a small LiPo, a 2S, very low milliamp, but I have found that some Traxxas servos don't like them, so I don't always recommend those for new cars. This is comes on your fuel tanks, your engine break-in process. It does give you all the step-by-step how they recommend you do your break-in process, which is actually kind of neat. I don't know that I've ever done the Traxxas break-in process. I don't know that I've ever had a brand new Traxxas engine. So we'll do that on video as well. I'll do another video with that coming up soon. This is my first full-length T-maxx. I've got a few T-maxxes, a couple of custom builds. I've got a couple of Sport Max conversions where I've removed the front wheel drive and it's rear wheel drive only. It's got extended arms and it's got aluminum, and it's, but this is my first factory new Traxxas T-maxx in the box, unmolested, if you will, forget the terminology. Full length chassis. I have some 2.5 chassis, I have some 15 chassis, but you'll notice on this one also, no reverse. They got rid of reverse completely. And if you want to install reverse, you actually have to cut that hole out, or get a low profile servo to be able to operate that, and then you'll have to install the the reverse mechanism inside the transmission. It's not in there anymore, so you'll have to actually install that. It's a kit you can buy. So. Got your receiver inside here. You got there's a clip that holds this pack together. You got your TQI receiver in there. There's your antenna holder. We'll slide that back in and put it back together. And then we've got the chrome resonator, which I like. It's not the greatest performing pipe, but I like it actually. So yeah, this is her. She's set up according to the packet. She's got maximum preload ride height right now as she's set up, but there are extra shock clips, spring spacers, washers and stuff there. You've got your starter wand for your electric start. You got your tool kit, standard tool kit, some Allens in there, a couple of wrenches. They do give you a spare glow plug. A lot of times it's recommended to put a new glow plug in after the break-in period. Full set of clips for the body. It did come with those two clips that hold it on in the box. Those do come as well. You've got your charger pack for your NIM battery. This is for the starter wand, goes inside the starter wand here. Charge this up, green light, red light, great little thing. The only drawback is that it's DC, so you got to use a cigarette lighter in your car, which is just kind of a little bit weird. So, but I think they do that so that you can go out, let's say to the park, and you're prepared even there at the park. You do get transmitter. Give me just a second, guys. This is almost ready to run, as they say, because it doesn't include the fuel. So keep that in mind. And I did kind of already mess this up. So. There's your TQI transmitter from Traxxas. And there is a Bluetooth module. I don't know if it's included in this one or if I have to purchase it and get it installed. I will be reading the box, the pack, and it will let me know, obviously. So, awesome. Thank you again, guys. We appreciate you viewing. We appreciate you clicking. We appreciate you commenting. And a little bit of a close-up. Shocks. Like I said, there's your receiver. Fuel tank is here. There's your electric start. Receiver pack batteries go here. 4 AA's. And then 4 AA's in the bottom of the transmitter as well. They are not included, so you will have to purchase those separately. I use Torco Nitro 20%. Very happy with Torco, so that's what she will be ran on. She'll be broken in on. And yeah, again, thank you. I appreciate you guys coming, showing up, liking, subscribing, all that good stuff. Stay tuned for more videos. We've got some projects going, some different stuff happening. So we got the Wraith finished. Stay tuned also, guys. We're doing Monster Truck Wars again this year. So we've got some video on that will be coming up. I'll be sure and take the cameras down for that. And gonna start learning how to fly airplanes, and so you guys will come along with all of that stuff. Forgive my mess here, guys. Like I said, I did all this morning, and it's already going to be over 100 degrees today. So thank you again, guys. Appreciate you. Be sure to, like I said, like and subscribe. All the support helps.